Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change the color of bullet point in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show change the color of bullet point. Firstly, add a bullet point. Now for select in a cell. Now keyboard press from a equal sign. Now type for me says char. Now keyboard press from the 9679. Now for enter. Then select a wall cell. That's it. Then change color in a bullet point. Now select from a bullet point list. Now going to the text color option. Now for select, then in choose color. That's it. Then again select from a color, then click for a text color option. Now click for a color. That's it. Then I show since the color of bullet point in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.